What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when some websites are not loading in any web browser on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Initially, let's ensure your device has a stable internet connection. A quick way to gauge this is by heading to your browser and typing in fast.com. This site will display your current internet speed. If there's no connectivity issue but the problem persists, march up to the next steps. It's possible that the website in question is blocked by your internet service provider or even your government. In such cases, employing a VPN or proxy server to bypass these restrictions is a viable solution. A reliable VPN, like Privado VPN, can be a lifesaver. Download it from the link provided in the description. Post-installation, launch the app, connect to a server, and retry accessing the website. Your router's DNS settings might be the culprit. If the DNS servers are experiencing issues, tweaking the DNS server addresses could be the fix. To change your DNS server addresses, open up your control panel by searching for it in your Start menu search. On this window, click on Network and Internet. From here, head to Network and Sharing Center. Here, you can view your active networks. Click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection listed as your connection and a new window will open up. Here, you can preview information to your network connection. Click on Properties and then double-click the Internet Protocol version 4. Lastly, select to use the following DNS server addresses and then use 8888 as your preferred DNS server address and 8844 as your alternate DNS server addresses. This can help a lot with fixing your router's DNS settings and accessing previously locked sites. A cluttered DNS cache can hinder website loading. To flush the DNS cache, search for CMD in the Windows search bar to open it up. Then, type in ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. A successful flush should display a message confirming the DNS cache has been cleared. Sometimes, resetting your network configurations can iron out any kinks. In the same command prompt window, type the following commands: netsh winsock reset, netsh int ip reset, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew. Once done, restart your PC to apply the changes. Over time, browser cache and cookies may become corrupted, causing website loading issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then retry accessing the website. If you're a Google Chrome user, click on the burger menu or three dots menu icon on the top right of your screen to access your browser settings. Under Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. On this window, select a time range such as 4 weeks and check the cookies and other sites data, as well as cached images and files option before clicking on Clear Data. Lastly, your antivirus or firewall settings might be blocking access to certain websites. Open up your antivirus application and temporarily allow your web browser to bypass your antivirus and firewall to see if this fixes the problem you are facing. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.